Magandang araw sa lahat, welcome po ulit dito sa atin channel ang Biyahe y Comida. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe, indeed. Punta tayo sa atin topic, May 9, 2025. Alexa Ilacad, nag-react sa pagpayat ni Mika de la Cruz. Friday, May 9, kinuha ng dating child actress ang kanyang Instagram page at nag-post ng isang reel na nagpapakita ng ilang mga clip na nagpapakita ng kanyang pangangatawan na unti-unting nagbago mula sa 139 pound hanggang 106 pounds. Nagsulat din si Mika ng mahaba at emosyonal na caption tungkol sa kanyang paglalakbay sa fitness. Nagsimula akong makaramdam ng kawalan ng pag-asa, kinamumuhian ko ang aking hitsura hanggang sa punto na itinatago ko ang aking sarili. Sumuko ako sa aking paglalakbay sa pagbaba ng timbang sa pag-iisip na hindi na ito magiging posible para sa akin. Basahin ang bahagi ng kanyang caption. Eventually I gave it to Jesus and I asked him to help me see myself the way that he did. I started inclining my ears to listen to what he thinks and says about me. Not what the world keeps on throwing at me. Nang hindi na niya sinusubukang magpataw ng pagbabago sa kanyang katawan, nakilala ni Mika ang isang taong tumulong sa kanya na makamit ang kanyang mga layunin sa fitness. I met Dr. at Roland_Angeles_MD, a doctor specializing in health-related weight management whom me at my family now call friend. He helped retrain the way that I ate and became the friendliest accountability buddy to me, my ate at my sister-in-law. His diet program will teach you discipline is sustainable, will not make you feel weak, is gentle while giving true results. He is so confident in what he does and I remember him telling me what to expect before starting at hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala na ito na ang progress namin together. Sa comment section ng post, mapapansin na nag-react si Alexa Ilacad sa inspiring post ni Mika. Slay! Great job! Alexa wrote, gushing over her fellow ex-Goan, bulilit star's current shape. Pagkatapos ay nag-reply si Mika ng isang matamis na tugon kay Alexa. Salamat Alexa who proud of our journeys. Wrote Mika, who also lauded the actress-singer's weight loss journey. Bisitahin ang website ng kami para sa kabuuan ng celebrity news at i-follow ang Instagram ni Mika de la Cruz at Mika de la Cruz. At yan ang atin latest showbiz chika update for today. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe. Click the notification bell for more showbiz chika updates. Like and share the video at suportahan po ang atin Facebook page. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe, indeed. Magandang buhay sa lahat, adios.
Do you ever miss that childhood spark you used to have? As we grow older, life's challenges and the opinions of the world tend to dull that hope within us. But the light always shines in the darkness. Allow the music to reignite that fearless spirit, that little dreamer within you.